In this video, I'll explain to you how you can go ahead and withdraw money from Pocket Option to your Visa card. So first, head over to their official website, log in or sign up with your credentials. Then what you need to do, guys, is come here and you want to come here, click on Finance. Okay, once you're logged in, go ahead and do this. This is on the left-hand panel. And then you want to come here and click on the withdrawal option. Okay, upon clicking this, you will be led to the withdrawal page. Now on this page, you need to request your withdrawal, okay? And you need to select the method of withdrawal you'll be using. So they provide over 7 payment gateways like bank transfer, right? Visa, MasterCard, cryptocurrency, mobile wallet, e-payments. Now in this case, we'll be choosing Visa card. You go ahead and choose that right here. They'll ask you to put in your card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Enter in the amount, and then you can go ahead and make that transfer to withdraw your money. And it's really that easy and simple, so I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.